Hey guys, so today's topic will be India's foreign exchange reserves is the fifth largest in the world. So be in the video, we will discuss this topic further. India's foreign exchange reserves, which currently stands at more than US dollar 500 billion, are the fifth largest in the world, which is after China, Japan, Switzerland, Russia, as per the International Monetary Fund, that is IMF. India's foreign exchange reserves are equivalent to almost one fifth of the country's GDP. They are considered to be enough to cover 13 months of import, which is extremely significant for the nation, especially in the wake of coronavirus pandemic, which had a major impact on the Indian economy along with the world. India is still in the process of reopening its economy after more than 2 months of strict lockdown. How are India's foreign exchange reserves so high? So, India's foreign exchange reserves have received a huge boost due to the rare current account surplus in the first quarter, return of inflow into the local stock market, and foreign direct investments, including major investment in Reliance Jio platform during these past 2 months. Reliance Industries is the India's largest company by revenue, and investments in its Jio platform helped the Reserve Bank of India to accumulate a total of US dollars 25 billion in foreign exchange in the quarter through June. So why it is important? Why this is important? Having high foreign exchange reserves will serve as a cushion against market volatility. It will provide added comfort to the foreign investor and credit rating companies that the government can meet its debt obligation despite a dismissal economic outlook. What are foreign exchange reserves? Foreign exchange reserves are cash and other assets held by central bank of nation. The foreign exchange reserves can comprise bond, banknotes, deposits, treasury bills, and other government securities of the reserve currency. Some nations hold a part of their reserves in gold, and special drawing rights are also considered reserved assets. The forex reserves are primarily available to balance payment of the country, influences the foreign exchange rate of the nation's currency, and maintain confidence in the financial markets. The foreign exchange reserves are held in one or more reserve currencies, currently mostly in US dollars and to a lesser extent in euro. Often the cash or securities are retained by the central bank, and the holdings of the foreign countries are identified to belong to the country without actually moving them from the vault of the central bank. They may, however, from time to time be physically moved to the home or other countries. Currently, interest is paid on foreign cash reserves, nor on gold holdings, but the central bank usually earns interest on government securities. We will look now on the background of this. So, India's trade gap came down to a 13-year low in May, as import declined faster than export amid strict lockdown imposed to us COVID-19 outbreak. However, as an emerging market economy, India needs to import capital goods and machinery to keep its industrial sector humming. The cheaper oil are also helped lower the import bills. India's current account is likely to remain in surplus in the April-June period, but recovery in imports might tilt the balance for all the full year. As per the experts, the improvement in the economic activity over the next few quarters is likely to push the current account back into deficit. After outflow in March, foreign investment into Indian stock has picked up in the past 2 months. Inflow has also increased with the rate of stakes stakes in in the companies like Reliance Jio and Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. The net FDI flow made up 51.7% of the total capital flow in the financial year that ended on March 31st. A similar trend is expected in financial year 2020-21 as well, with the net FDI flow likely to account for nearly 65% of the total capital inflow. So I hope you get all the points, and thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe. Thank you.